How to change Fortnite resolution without any video. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to change the resolution in Fortnite without using any editing video tools. This is perfect for players who use AMD, Intel, or don't have a dedicated graphics card. Let's get started. Part 1. Make sure Fortnite is closed. Before anything else, make sure Fortnite is fully closed. If it's running in the background, the changes won't work correctly. Part 2. Open the configuration folder. Now, open the folder where Fortnite stores your personal settings. You can do this quickly using the run command on your computer, which lets you jump straight to the connection location. Part 3. Find and open the settings file. Inside the folder, look for a file called Game User Settings. Open it with Notepad or any simple text editor. Part 4. Change the resolution settings. In the file, scroll through and find the resolution values. Update them to the screen size you want, like 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1080. Make sure you change all the resolution lines to match. Part 5. Adjust full screen option. You can also choose whether you want to play in full screen, windowed full screen, or windowed mode. This is totally up to your preference and can also be changed in the same file. Part 6. Save and lock the file. Once you've made all the changes, save the file. Then, right-click on it, go to Properties, and mark it as Read Only, so Fortnite doesn't overwrite your custom resolution. Part 7. Launch the game. That's it. You can now launch Fortnite, and it will use the resolution you just set. This trick works even without any video software installed. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to change your Fortnite resolution without using any video tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.